This is just a quick overview of my June 2004 PowerPC G5 system. I have this running all my video files connected to my iMac quad-core i5, just because it uses so much storage, the GoPro. This is a 17-inch Apple Studio display, and it runs quite well with the G5. And so the specs of the machine: still 1.8 GHz and 3 GB RAM. That is more than enough for what I use it for. It's got 2 drives in it, and this is basically my network drive for all my video files for the iMac. I got it all networked in. It doesn't get used for much else, to be honest. I mean, in the dock I've got Finder, Mail, WebKit, which is like Safari. It's WebKit running in a Safari shell, I believe. iChat, Address Book, iCal, Spotify. I found an old PowerPC version of that still works. Should do. Yeah. It says it was no longer supported, but it still actually connects, so I can use my premium service. VLC, that's just the media player. A little bit better than QuickTime for these older PowerPC systems. We've got Geekbench. I've just done a Geekbench benchmark on it if I run it in 64-bit. CS2 Photoshop, probably the best version for the G5, to be fair, in terms of performance. Microsoft 2004 Office Suite, Touch Titanium, Pages, a Mac Journal, which I use for my university work for journal entries, and then just system preferences. So we'll run this benchmark test and see what score I get. It should be about the 1700 mark, so I'll get back to you in a second. Still going through the initial test. To be fair, to say I only paid £49 for the machine in March this year with free postage, I mean, that's really the Mac, that and that. There's no other damage on it. Everything works, the optical drive works fine. But it obviously cannot match the performance of my i5 iMac, which obviously is the main editing system, and the iMac G4, which I've just bought for £29. That's just like a little extra work for uni and stuff. Just got Microsoft Word and such on that. And it's nearly done, and it's done. Yeah, 1718, which I think is about the same as a late 2007 MacBook, so, which is about I think it's about 1400, so it's just a little bit faster. Not by much though. I mean, this was a very decent machine back in 2004. You can hear the fans kicking up a little bit. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.